Hello everyone, welcome again. I am back with new video. I am fine. I hope you are fine. So guys, this is Tipu Thakur. I am back with a new video. You always get here regarding English related videos, how to speak English, how to try, how to practice English, and how to improve your English, how to improve your communication skill, conversation related videos and spoken English sentences, spoken English structure. Yeah, I always try to do such type of videos for you. So guys, one request is there that if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. So guys, without wasting time, let's begin. I hope this video would be helpful to you. In this video I am going to talk about how to practice English. Yeah, if you want to practice English, guys, then don't think about other person. Don't anyone can laugh at me, anyone can make fun of me. Yeah guys, it is irrational fear. Yeah, why I am saying like that? It is irrational fear. We think too much while English is speaking. If you want to become fluent speaker in English, then just practice and practice, only on practice. Otherwise you would not get your success in particular field. Guys, I want to give a suggestion to you. Guys, talk to yourself. If you want to speak English, talk to yourself. um, you can take any topic and do practice on this topic, like festival, pollution, our generation, any such type of topic you can take and start your speaking practice on these topics. So guys, uh, let's practice one topic. So guys, today I will practice one topic. Our topic is festival. What is festival, and why to celebrate festival, how to celebrate festival, and how many types of festivals we celebrate in our country, in our world. Festival are the celebration of our life. They bring us happiness and joy. They bring us great joy and great happiness. Are celebrated all over the world. Some are based on religious festival, some are based on national importance, some are based on harvest and season festival. Our religious festival is Holi, Diwali, Eid, Muharram, like etc. Holi, Diwali, Chhat, Durga Puja, it is festival of Hindu. Eid, it is festival of Muslim. Hindus prayers at the temple and Muslim prayers at the mosque. Some festival based on harvest and seasons, like Pongal, Onam, and Bihu. Onam, Onam, it is festival of Kerala, and it is celebrated for 10 days. And Pongal, it is festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 3 days. And Bihu, it is festival of Assam. Our national festival is Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day, on 15 August 1947, our country India became free from British rule. We celebrate this day as the Independence Day. Republic Day, we celebrate Republic Day all over the country on 26 January every year. This day is celebrated to remind ourselves the peoples are rule of our own country. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869. He is called father of nation. He helped India to freedom. So we celebrate his birthday every year as a Gandhi Jayanti. So guys, in this way you can practice your English and you can improve your English and you can improve your communication skill. Guys, if you want to speak fluent in English, don't delay. If you will if you will wait for tomorrow, then tomorrow also you will wait for next tomorrow. That's why just practice and practice. So guys, that's all for today. I hope this video would be helpful to you. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. And if you have any suggestion, please don't forget write in the comment box. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching this video.